Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan ra sepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Kajing ai jing hikai ha karukom kingling lani ka river rafting but kayaking bala penlong da ka office u district sports officer West Khasi Hills ringkat kajing etrelang but ka district sports promotion society but ka nongknom area laishnong integrated village cooperative society kabalane ru hadu nriu banai hapo ka Painam beach jong ka dolonong nongknom kala poino sya ka bakut hnin kasngi ka Southerik ubnai naiweng arjar khatpra lapun kut ia kani kajing ai jing hikai kingling ha kajing yalang ka balalong ha Painam beach ha ka ba uba tilengwa ubalong deputy commissioner jongka West Khasi Hills ulalong kumu kongsan harengkat kajing idon langru uba PB War Nongbri DSO ka West Khasi Hills district u secretary ka NAL IVCS uba S Martong u Dipak Rana ubadai unong ai jing hikai lembat ki khanyongot ki samla jongka thai nongknom ki balasya pentebet Hagane kajing ai jing hikai kingling lawani simentaru daki hebret ki banado karta kepadang sansnem hadok khat arsnem ki bakentup ya ki hebret shenrang bat kentai.
Kadang-kadang training ting ai mensim ni pinam ya sange no kan pide punya persang ban praktis hak por pia like por praktis tambah mendai ban hak por jur le tangah por plang ba dun bam dan ba ruletum atat honda dalam profesional saya kenal khamsan kam he kerta dalam profesional tidak lah ba ingin sab persang ban play gila gelenti ban bandang ham penjana ya kan garkom hikai rafting but kayaking ka ban ha Pakistan da ka beberik jaga dengan persai but ngin sai persang man lampu si kibriu ki ya ki bebe pat kibriu ki trainer ki professional ki ban kam penjana susu ini kam ngin yai buat dia yang kam bahkan long papaka kan long papaka but menyeweru ya ki pat ki para langsung senang kibadan interest kibadan ka sap kibadan ka jingkwa nang kai ki bat pelong ini ka sports ka ba paunam ini ka thanbas ini baru ha jella bulakoi ka Batisi TV ha kajing ekran badu Dipak Rana balong no hikai kingling ubat tebet naganong ba shlong ulaya tu ba usngok men haduk kata-kata banyo i bak ikna ki bawan syah hikai kidai ki bala tebet lepa ha karukom jingi namarkani kadai ke benta ka bakongsan bah ba kidai bantim ha ba ki kingling ha po wa Udipak ula ajing ro ru ya ka daulenang nongknom da ka ba ulapan pau ba ha kajing ya lenti jong u ha kaleng ki jaka jong kiri ka perthai kane ka daulenang kadai ka weina ki jaka ki babyang pura ban kingling kayaking bar rafting.
Almost all the river rafting training, like I've been staying here from January. So from January I give my very hard work to this 3 village and I learned this river rafting out of my state. I was working for 18 years in a different country. So at last I came to my birthplace, that is Shillong. So I got chance from Noxton DC to give training to 3 this village youth, and I'm so proud and I'm very happy to give them. Today is the last day. I over my training and I feel so bad and also good. And this rafting, most important thing is swimming, and they are very good in swimming, right from 5 years old boy to 12 years old girl. They can swim really good, better than me. I want them to practice every day, do good, and if they need any help from me, I can always come and help them. Anytime they need me, I can come them. I don't need anything for them. I just want to see them a great rafter and kayaker from Meghalaya. One of my best place in the earth. I've been traveling so many countries, but I find this place one of my best. I will keep.
Any difficulty during?
No, it was so lovely. All the village people were so good, so nice. They always come in the morning and ask me what do you eat, what not you eat. They're very good, very nice people. I cannot forget them. And if I can do any help from my side, and I will really like to do for them.